Module 11 of the Perth Fitness Industry Professional Development Weekend is Weight Loss Physiology. We'll cover the physiological principles of weight loss, including strategies to maximise excess post-exercise oxygen consumption and increase how much metabolically active tissue your clients have. We cover the variables of intensity and volume, exercise type and variety, and how these variables can be controlled for maximal returns. We also discuss some nutritional recommendations for body composition change. The Perth Fitness Industry Professional Development Weekend is being held in September 2018. This is open to all Perth health and fitness professionals, trainers and coaches. This is going to be an intensive, information-dense learning weekend, and it'll leave you with an incredible depth and breadth of knowledge and hundreds of practical applications in the fields of exercise, of fitness, and the business of being a fitness professional. So invest in yourself, invest in your business, and supercharge your personal, your professional, and your business development. You'll take your value and your expertise to a whole new level. For more details or to secure your ticket, visit rangeofmotion.net.au/fitnessindustrypd 2018. I hope to see you there.